Hi, I'm Sarah Freese and I'm lead designer of the cross-functional collaboration Playbook. So often teams require other teams to enable them to deliver a great product or service to their customers. But sadly, there is often conflict or blame or defensiveness or just miscommunicated expectations between teams, which means that this doesn't happen. The cross-functional collaboration playbook will provide you with a really effective four-step process, the detailed facilitation notes, where you can build collaboration with any other team. This could be a team inside your organization or with a key partner or supplier. Not quite sure where to start or which team to start with? Proceed this workshop with a Stakeholder Insights Workshop. This is a great workshop which will enable you to find out who are the key stakeholders and who are the most important ones that you need to build collaboration with. Then make it your team's mission to build collaboration across all the teams and partners and stakeholders that you work with to ensure that you deliver a great experience to your customers.